Why are you putting bubbles in your mouth?
I don't do anymore.
Who told you could do that?
Elmo.
Elmo told you could do that? Do not put the bubbles in your mouth because then you're gonna... Do not put the bubbles in your mouth because then you're gonna get sick. Kaya Elise, do not raise your voice. Kaya. You better stop smacking your teeth.
Mama.
What? Stop doing that.
I don't.
Kaya, stop doing that. You gonna stop? Say yes, ma'am.
Mama.
Thank you.
I